You have, I can feel you. Thank you. There's something here next to me. Prison. I've just noticed in this very old headstone here, there's a knight with a sword. Probably one of the first interments, I would imagine, looking at this. And clearly it was a knight. Very honoured to be here. Some strange noises going on now. Okay, they've moved away. I can feel that. It suddenly got lighter. And I assume the cat ball stopped next to me. It has. That was freaky. I felt that come up to here and sit with me. Okay, Spirit, before I go, I didn't want to spend too long here with you, but I really appreciate Bertram, that's a very old name. I really appreciate you putting up with me, I guess. And the cat ball's going off next to me. Hope you can see that. I really appreciate that. And thank you for the communications.